It's in the range
Move,
group.
move!
Brit will be first on this. Everyone get out of here.
Who's second?
Who's second?
I'll do second.
I'll do first on the next one.
Seth will take second.
Zero can be second.
Who's set?
Seth can still take it.
Who's got first on this?
Larissa.
Alright, who's second?
Second to zero.
Her to zero.
I'll get first on the next one.
Give to zero some room, yeah.
I'm gonna be moving to the left when I get off the cluster.
Ritzak, you should move in.
Yep. I'll take second on the.
Decimal's already got it.
You and me on the next one.
Okay. I'll go first on it.
Mm-hmm.
Far left.
It's way left.
Grevline, if you don't have Torment, move in.
I'll get the next one first, though. I need a second.
Seth will
I'll
take
get
second.
second to zero.
Seth already
I'll
has
take
it.
Seth. Countdown, come on.
Right in the center, Lauren.
Move away, to zero.
Damn it.
Vorsh's dead.
That's
We were
shade.
so close. Oh wait, really? Oh man, that was... Ooh.
Yeah.
This is still alive.
Heal, please.
Who's
I can
got
take
first
the
on
next.
this next?
Oh, I'll go after Decimal. Decimal's got first next.
Alright.
It's in healers.
My stuff got reset. From countdown.
Someone.
Rit will take first on this next one.
Larissa will get second.
Come on, guys, hold it together. We're doing really well on the Berserk timer. We've got a
Execute
whole
range.
minute left.
It's in the left. Sorry, right. Stupid.
Oh god, this is bad.
Okay.
Don't fall apart now. Decimal will take it.
I got re.
Who can take first on this next?
Seth will take it first, I guess. Where is it?
It's in the very back, very
Alright, so
back.
jump on it.
Did
Fair
you
enough.
take a
Pass
second?
Torment to me. I can't take it, I can't take it. Lauren.
I'm dead.
I got it.
Dezira, you look the same.
Come on, guys, hold it together.
Blow cooldowns.
All
Etc.,
cooldowns.
etc. We got it.
Yeah.
I can get it next.
Maybe.
See?
So we
See
don't
what
blow up a
happens when
countdown, we've got it.
Mic breaks.
When
No, that's what happens when he stops leading us and we all have to step up. That's essentially what just happened.
Hey guys, my microphone wasn't broken.